In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your board background image in Trello. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your workspace or just want to refresh the look, updating your board background is a quick and straightforward process. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, navigate to Trello.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your boards. You can do this by clicking the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you have an account, go ahead and log in using your email address, or for a quicker sign in, you can use your Google account. This is a great option if you prefer not to navigate through multiple login screens. After you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your Trello home dashboard. Now let's find the board you want to change the background of. Head over to the boards section, which you can locate in the main menu. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one. You can accomplish this by navigating to the Your Workspaces section. Here you'll find all the boards you belong to. Go ahead and select the board you wish to update. Once you're on your board, locate and click on the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. This menu is where all your board settings are housed. From this drop down, click on Change Background. This action takes you to a series of options to personalize your board the way you want. Now you have a few choices. If you want to use a photo as your board background, click on Photos. You'll be presented with a myriad of images to choose from. Simply select the one that appeals to you. If a solid color is more your style, click on Colors. You'll then see a palette from which you can pick a background color that suits your board's theme or your preference. If your tastes are unique or you have a specific image in mind, Trello also allows customization by uploading your own image. For this option, you'll need to select Custom. This will enable you to upload an image from your device to use as your board background, adding that special personalized touch. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you can transform your board's appearance, making it more vibrant and suited to your style. Experiment with various backgrounds and personalize your workspace to find what feels best for your productivity and creativity. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.